This 2012 Pleasure-Way Plateau MP is a Class B RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Pleasure-Way is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front bath, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear living area. This 2012 Pleasure-Way Plateau MP and is powered by a MB 3.0 V6 Blue Tec engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.